Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a sweetheart of a car right here, 1972 Monte Carlo, and it's just exceptionally nice. It's a 69,000 mile Southern car, excellent fit and finish. It drives like a dream. We just rebuilt the motor literally days ago. It's an air-conditioned car, numbers match, has build sheet. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But please join me now. Let's go for a spin in a 72 Monte Carlo. Nice car. Lately, I've been going after the best of the best, getting them $100,000 Camaros, and this car just impressed me. It's just super clean. I bought it out of North Carolina. Again, it's a 69,000 mile car. It is documented. We have a binder with the build sheet and some original literature and some Virginia inspection stickers, and the fit and finish on the body is amazing. I drove the car home. It just drove like a dream. You could drive it down a straight road like this. I mean, it had no hands on the wheel. It stopped, steered, no wind leaks, dash lights worked. Just a great car. So anyway, I bought it again just because it was clean. I wasn't looking for a Monte Carlo. I didn't steal it for next to nothing. I bought it because I thought it was a really nice car. We check our cars out when they get here. Had a lifter tick that was kind of concerned the guys in the shop. We ended up rebuilding the motor. Honest to God, we were given the choice. Well, do you want to put some different fluids in there and this and that? And we said no, absolutely not. Rebuild the motor. So it's just rebuilt at a professional shop. The carburetor must have been rebuilt prior to us. It looks brand new. The oil pan, everything's all painted, so it all looks really nice. It's the VIN number matched motor. So underneath the car is clean, rust-free metal. It's got the turbo 350 trans. It's the original trans to the car. It looks clean, shifts fine. Someone before me did put a nice stainless steel Borla dual exhaust system under there. It sounds really nice. And the rest of the car underneath is just really good, real respectable, clean, solid. The body, like I was saying, is outstanding fit and finish. The body lines are square, meaning it fits perfectly square. Even around here, this is a problem area. On the Chevelles too, it fits spot on. It's flush. Again, square and flush. They fit beautifully. The body is so nice. Everything just, I mean, that's as good as it gets there. That's like new Mercedes quality. Repainted its original color. It's called the antique white. It has a glass finish. It's really nice. Overall, the trim's real nice. The bumper looks like it's probably the original. It's got a little freckling. It might have been chromed. It's an 8 out of 10. It's nice and shiny. The emblems, the trim, the bumper guards, all this looks real nice, fits nice. All the moldings are nice. The stainless moldings are polished and shiny. Vinyl top is excellent. The glass in the car is all excellent. It's all crystal clear, all the windows. They roll up and down smoothly. They fit real nice. This side's just as nice, just as straight. Nice mirror, all clean. It's got rally wheels on it with nice trim, BFGoodrich tires. Up front here, the bumper, the grille, the emblem, the bumper guards, the bezels, all this looks fresh, like this might have been replaced recently. Again, fits beautifully. So I'm going to say this is show condition on the outside. I have Chevelles for twice the amount of money that aren't as nice as this car. So it is the number match 350. It is a original 4-barrel, but I said it looks like it's been rebuilt. We did put a new choke part on it, all stock, manifolds, valve covers, the whole air cleaner assembly, even that tube that goes down to the heat riser, that gets lost over the years. The little heat shields around the spark plugs, It's all stock. The air conditioning has been updated with 134 Freon. Has the light package, under the hood light, trunk light, they work. All the interior lights work. Just like new. I think it's the original carpet because it's just slightly discolored, a little faded, but it's original. All original interior in really nice shape. Perfectly clean all metal trunk with a nice gray and white spatter finish. Has a rally wheel for a spare and a good tire. Has a jack. All this was repainted, that same gloss white. The trunk light works, the weather strip's new. The factory seams in here and pinch welds are real nice. Now the interior, in my opinion, is excellent. It's not worn, not abused. But the driver's seam right down the bottom, there is a spot where the seam is actually apart. All the seat belts are really nice. It has the round gauges like an SS Chevelle with wood grain, heater controls, dash pad, all that's mint. Sticker on the compressor, so that's not old. It's got the hood insulation, it has the horns, it has the pollution stuff, the squirters are hooked up, the fan shroud looks real nice. It's a big interstate battery, it's bolted down, looks like a new fuel pump, so real nice engine compartment. Getting back to the interior, it's got the rubber floor mats, 2 gauges mounted below the dash, probably temperature and oil pressure. It's got an 8-track radio, an aftermarket radio, probably from the 70s. It actually sounds really good. I was surprised. I turned it on. It looks like an old piece of crap radio, and it sounded better than a lot of the cars I've been driving home. I'll start it up for you. Hope it starts after I just paid to rebuild it. This is one of those I call a sweetheart. It's just a nice car. I would trust it to get me to Alaska right now. It just seems like a good one. Got the doors, everything just shuts and fits so nice. Lights all work. All the trim is nice. Just a sweetheart. Nice door jambs, clean under the doors, nice weather strips. That's that. That Volo stainless exhaust. So if you just want a nice collector car to cruise around with and go to car shows, and I mean, you don't see many Monte Carlos, I think it's a good one. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. But if you have specific questions or concerns, ask them. They will help you. They will also help with the financing, with the delivery, paperwork. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.